Terme Laško Health Resort is situated along the river Savinja in the heart of Slovenia, only 10 kilometers from Celje and the highway connection between the east and the west of the country. It is proud of the nearly 2,000 years of history of thermal treatments, since the beneficial effects of warm water were already known to Roman legionnaires. In the 19th century, the time of Emperor Franz Joseph, on the basis of this tradition, a modern and qualitative centre of health and wellness tourism has developed. Terme Laško offers accommodation in Hotel Wellness Park Laško, Superior, and the Hotel Zdravilišče Laško, with a total of more than 600 beds. Hotel rooms are in the 4 stars and 4 star superior categories and offer the guests everything they need for a comfortable stay. Overall equipped with modern infrastructure, therefore designed to satisfy even the most pampered guests. The pool complex is one of the most modern and latest in Slovenia, where guests will be impressed by the unique dome with a sliding glass roof over the swimming pools and more than 2,200 square meters of water surface. For those who want the adrenaline kick, a number of water attractions, water slides and whirlpools are available. In the sauna centre, you can visit a number of saunas, built in modern style with a touch of history and the surroundings of Laško. Here too, we have not forgotten the symbiosis with nature. Part of the relaxation in these saunas is therefore also the direct view on the river Savinja and the foothill of Hum. Wellness means a healthy balance of body and mind, which is reflected in our general welfare. Wellness Spa Centre offers, on an area of 1,200 square meters, 25 modernly arranged rooms for various therapies, fitness and recreation. With its extraordinary atmosphere, which represents a unique combination of tradition, experience and cutting-edge spa rituals, it creates a harmonious atmosphere in the embrace of nature. Medical care in Terme Laško provides basic treatment programs, specialist outpatient activity, prevention, rehabilitation and reconstruction rehabilitation. This is based on cutting-edge knowledge and extensive experience of recognized medical experts, as well as the thermal water, which has helped many people restore health and maintain their well-being. Cuisine means pleasure and culture. Therefore, special effort is made for the gourmet delights of our guests. Carefully prepared dishes are served in pleasantly decorated dining rooms and restaurants. There is also a special offer of selected dishes for weddings, anniversaries and business meetings. At various culinary competitions, numerous awards and recognitions have been received, proving our chef's passion for culinary arts. The Congress Center Wellness Park Laško, with 8 conference halls accommodating up to 1,000 participants, enables business meetings, press conferences, assemblies and seminars, lectures, promotional events, as well as diverse social events. Our offer is rich and diverse, and whatever reason will bring you to Terme Laško, you will always be welcome.